Makueni County from the 23rd to the 26th of August this year in strict compliance with COVID-19 public health protocols. Only 1,000 delegates have been invited, down from the 6,000 previously projected, and shall be required to be fully vaccinated. Devolution Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa says future devolution conferences will be held once every 2 years, as our senior reporter Patrick Amimo tells us.
Partners in these main partners.
Plans for the upcoming 7th Annual Devolution Conference are in top gear. The conference theme will be multi-level governance for climate action.
Yes, the 7th Devolution Conference in Makueni, scheduled for 23rd to 26th, will go on.
Last year, the Council of Governors never held a conference due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Ministry of Health and the Council of Makueni County have rolled out massive vaccination drive in Makueni. There is also an ongoing vaccination drive at the Council of Governors offices for registered delegates. Online registration of delegates will be closed on Tuesday next week.
Strict protocols will therefore be adhered to, including screening of the COVID-19 certificates at the conference.
We are very strict that any delegate, anybody who service provider must have the 2 vaccinations.
The Makueni meeting will also be used to measure successes and failures and challenges of devolution during a decade of implementation. The first annual devolution conference was held in Kwale County and followed by Kisumu County. The 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th annual devolution conferences were held in Meru, Nakuru, Kakamega and Kirinyaga counties respectively. All previous conferences were attended by over 6,000 local and international participants. But for Makueni, COVID-19 is a game changer.
It was agreed that we have only not more than 1,000 delegates who will have been fully vaccinated, and the governors are going to ensure that the delegates coming from the counties are fully vaccinated as they attend this meeting.
We agreed in the last devolution conference that instead of having annual devolution conferences, we'll be doing them biannually. So instead of doing another one next year, we'll be doing them after every 2 years.
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
And away from that, a major crackdown against illegal